In this video, I'll show you how to change table color in Google Docs. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. At first, head over to your Google browser, right? So I'm going to show you how you can change the table color in your Google Docs, right? So I'll click on these dotted icons. I'll scroll down, click on this Google Docs, right? So if you don't have a table already, I'm going to show you how you can insert the table, how you can change the table color, right? So what you need to do, once I will display it with this blank document, what you need to do, you need to click on this insert, right? Click on this insert. You'll see this table option. Then from this option, you can select the number of tables you want to insert, right? So I want to make it 8 times 5, exactly. So exactly this is it. This is the table. So if you don't have a table already, this is how you can insert a table, right? So I'm going to change this table color right now. What I need to do now, you need to click on this table options, right? You'll scroll down, you'll see the color, click on this color. Then from here, you can choose any color you want to choose. You can choose red. You can come on here. You can choose blue. Come on here. You can choose green. Any color of your choice. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.